Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Candy Crush Saga. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about Candy Crush Saga. In this window here of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi. You will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.